Ramesh loved drinking icy cold water straight from the fridge every single day. Even during winter, cold water was his habit. He thought it kept him fresh. But one day, he started feeling tired, and his lower back began to ache. He ignored it. Just a muscle pain, maybe? Weeks later, during a health checkup, the doctor had shocking news. Ramesh's kidneys were under stress, all because of the icy water. Cold water can shrink blood vessels, slowing kidney filtration and hurting digestion. Ramesh was lucky. Early detection helped him recover, but not everyone is. So, next time you're thirsty, choose normal water. Your kidneys will thank you.